Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Hustle World, and yes people, the weekend is here. I gave you an awesome digital watch face just in case it's going to be a casual weekend for you, but right now we got an awesome analog watch face just in case you're going out to rip up the town, right? So let's have a look at it. The name of this watch face is called Rolma Silly 3. You've seen Rolma Silly 2. You guys really like that one. That one got a bunch of hits. You're gonna love this one just as well. All right, so let's take a look at it. Now, in AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look. It's just going to be dimmed down in a black theme mode. You're still going to be able to get your analog time at a glance with no problem. But when the watch face is on, this is really a thing of beauty. Screens premium and luxury all day long. I do like the red hands on the watch. Also, I like the red tip that's going around the bezel of the watch, which is your second hand. You get the 9, get the 3, get the 6. Again, a nice luxury look. And also, you get your date right there. Get your steps down at the bottom. As you can see, I haven't been anywhere, but we are getting out of here tomorrow because we got some packages to mail out. The foot is feeling a little bit better, so we got to get out of here, people. And also, the highlight of the whole watch is this right here. That's your battery percentage, people. The liquid is moving around. Now, it's all based off of where your battery percentage is on the level of that liquid. So I'm quite sure if it's full, it should be all the way at the top, people. I thought that was definitely a good look. A little animation added to the watch face gives it a little class too. I'm liking it, people, but at the end of the day, it is all about you. Now, we do get some shortcuts, right? So if I tap right here, I can go into my favorites, make a phone call if I want to. Also, if I tap right here, tap precise, I can go into my settings, tweak my watch however I see fit. Also, if I tap right here, I can get my calories burned, my steps, floors climbed, check out my sleep, heart rate. Tap down here, I can get my weather, which you guys know, that's my favorite. And that's it, people, but hit me. Tell me, what did you think of this watch face? I had to get a developer 2 thumbs up in the door for this one, because this is one elegant looking watch face. All right, you all, if you enjoyed the video, please make sure you hit the like button before you leave. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I will see you all again at the next video. Take care.